Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can color code tabs in Google Sheets. So this will help you to visually organize sheets for better navigation and workflow. So the first thing that you will have to do is So the first thing that you will do if you have no sheets yet, of course, add sheets under uh, on the so you can find your sheet tabs on the bottom. And once you have your sheet tabs here, what you will have to do is right click the tab that you want to color, and then you will just have to click change color, and you will just choose the color that you want from this palette. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So click that. So as you can see, the color of our tab has been changed, and you could just repeat this for all your tabs. So yeah, that's how you do it. And finally, review all your tab colors and make sure that it is easy to distinguish the important actions. And yeah, by the way, another tip, you could also um set your colors to colors that are actually more bright and visible so that you will be able to distinguish the important ones. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.